Good evening, everyone. I welcome each one of you to our Advocate on Record Aspirants Academy. Before we start our lecture, it is our everyday practice that we recite the preamble of the Constitution of India by having faith in the preamble that it is our reflection of the unity and divinity, and it is our commitment and sentiment also. So therefore, I request each one of you to recite preamble of the Constitution of India along with me. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. And today is a historic day, dear friends. Today is the historic day for two reasons. This is a happy moment, an historic moment. Firstly, we are going to launch a book which I have authored, and the entire team has worked. It's not a single person. It is worked by the team of advocates in our office. So I am very happy because of your presence and to show the strength and to motivate us to come out with many more books. So this is a book with respect to Advocate on Record examination, and exams are also going to come, and this will definitely direct you, guide you to the right place. So this book, before calling my associates to launch this book in your August presence, I must take this opportunity to thank my parents, to thank the legal luminaries who has graciously agreed to give forward for this first book. I must thank Honorable Justice P.S. Narasimha, my Lord, Judge, Supreme Court of India, has studied our book and he has given a foreword by saying that it must be a must-have for all AOR aspirants. Every AOR aspirant must have this book. And Honorable Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, my Lord, former Chief Justice of India, His Lordship has given a foreword by saying that this is a guiding light for all AORs. And Honorable Justice Nagamuthu, he was a former High Court judge, now one of the leading senior advocate in the Supreme Court of India. He has given a foreword by saying that there is no book available in this nature. And further, dear friends, to enhance the credibility, authoritative nature of our book, President, Supreme Court Bar Association, Senior Advocate, the most respected Senior Advocate, Mr. Kapil Sibal sir, Vice President, Rachna Srivastava ma'am, and Mr. Vipin Nair, President of Supreme Court Advocate on Record Association, has given their foreword and messages, and I would like to share with you. So by thanking everyone, though we have not disturbed them to make them to come here, but giving their foreword that will be spiritually present along with us, and your august presence is also there. Blessings of Almighty. God has given this space, time, energy, health to come out with this book. So I worship every one of them for, because this is a product of the teamwork. Together each achieve more. That is the expansion of team. Together each achieve more. The name of the book is The Guiding Star of Advocate on Record Aspirants. So the guiding star means once you become an advocate on record, you have to guide others. So the guiding star means referring to the readers. You will be the guiding star. We are making to self-realize, we are making to realize your own strength. You are the guiding star. Now you are seeking guidance from us. Tomorrow you will be guiding many more AOR aspirants. So the guiding star means refers to you. And this book is dedicated to all the AOR aspirants. This book is dedicated to all the AOR aspirants. Thank you so much, dear friends. Now, with your august presence, with Almighty's blessings, with the blessings of our judges, senior advocates who has graciously given forward to our book, I request each one of my associates who has really worked and burned their midnight oil, and they have given their 6 months time for this project. Without them, this is not possible, and they have given shape to this book. They have given life to this book. So I request each one of my associates to join along with me, and we will be launching the book in your august presence, dear friends. Let me call out my dear esteemed associate Dikshit. Please give him them a big applause, dear friends. He has worked so much, and night and day, whenever I call him at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock also, he is ready. Yes, sir, what is to be merged, what is to be corrected, he has given. And he is the AOR aspirant, and very next year he will be writing, and he will be doing wonders. So I am very grateful to you, Dikshit ji. I request another associate, esteemed associate. He was there from even before the starting of AOR Aspirants Academy. My esteemed associate Tekchand, please do come. Mr. Tekchand, he was a student when I was visiting faculty at his college. I taught him professional ethics there. To put it in practice, he said, sir, better I would like to join you. Therefore, ethics will be put in practice. And the designing, everything. At 1 o'clock also, when I call him, he will say, Namaskar, sir. What can I do for you, sir? He is married. He is having family. But still, that what do you say, that bond, that is really, dear friends, I am blessed to have all my associates. Other associates will also be joining me. They are all doing wonders. So let me call one of other associate, Miss Saket Gautam. She is my first AOR training, and she has also, please. She is doing good, and she has helped me in examining all those 5 years questions to sort out these chapters. So I bless her, and I pray for her to come out with flying colors in future. Next, Sanjay sir, Sanjay Kumar Upadhyaya sir, esteemed associate, guide, philosopher, senior associate. He says, Dr. Raja, this is wrong, we will change it. This, we have to put it like this. They have given their wonderful comments. I request 2 more associates. Shankar P. Tanti sir, please come, sir, join us. Please join us. He is our chief associate. Because of their experience, wisdom, knowledge, it helps us a lot. They are like father figures. I request our Amar sir, last but not the least. Yes, please, please. So these are my esteemed associates who has worked on this. And moreover, dear friends, it is not only because of my associates. I have really understood the power of the youth, that is the interns. They have given their energy, they have given their time, they have done the wonderful job. So there are many interns. I requested them to join me. Some of them held up. So therefore, I would be requesting Ravi Chincholikar. He is almost 6 months he has done internship and he is continued to do. Please come, Ravi. I request Archana Maurya to join us. I request Atulji to join us. Yes. So these are all the team of people. Other associates are also there. They are held up in other projects. Definitely, I will be calling out the names of Deepak or Aman Shekhar or many more associates are here. So they will be engaging themselves with the future projects. And this is the team, dear friends. They are all, we give them big applause. Hope we have included all the names. Now, before your presence, please take out and give one by one. Yes. Yes, please. You too? Yeah. Yes. So the object is, it must reach your hands and you must come out with flying colors, dear friends. Yes. Shankar sir, have you received it? Yes. Yes. Fine. So received it? Fine. So please, with your August presence, dear friends, yes. Yeah, show this like this, then we will. And we will open also. Thank you. Thank you. You can open it, dear friends. Now the exercise begins. Slowly and steadily. Give them a big applause, dear friends. Yes. Slowly now. Hope everybody has it. So Shankar sir, you can join here. Shankar sir, you can come this side. Yes. Come here, please. Aram sir. Come. Yes. So thank you, dear friends. Please. And with the group of people also, you can just cover them. Just rotate it, and will you do it later? Yeah, because people in whose presence we are opening, this is important. Eyewitness.
Like that, on mobile you can take.
Yeah. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Just he's coming. Just come, merchant. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Take a full circle.
Come.
Full circle.
Yes, please. This is also over, ma'am.
Yes. नहीं घुमा that way.
Right. Taken, ma? Everything's taken. Yes. Thank you. Please reach your place. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Put this covers. Just 2 minutes, I will explain about the book. This is very important, how to read. Dear friends, now very important how to approach this book and how to read it. First and foremost is our parents and saintly people, elderly people, they have said, mind your words and deeds. That is very important. Our words and deeds will determine our heights. Our words, our deeds will determine our heights. The classic example is this: when we are working for good, for the well being of other AOR aspirants, what happens is, by God's grace, Almighty's grace, honorable judges, they are agreeing to give forward. What else we want? Their word is the final word, and that becomes the law, and that binds the entire country. Article 141 of the Constitution. The lordships are really happy to give forward because of this good work. So the credit is not to the person, but to the work what we do. So therefore, dear friends, always do good, think good. That is most important, and automatically fruit will come to you. And this is the example. Let me read few lines or few. I treasure these words, dear friends. See, this is the where I have given the extract of the message of my Lord, and this is near the shoulder. That is, we are shouldering the responsibility. This is a symbolic message that we make ourselves eligible. In my humble opinion, lordships were kind enough and other senior advocates were kind enough to give forwards and messages, but we need to qualify ourselves to that level. It is like a baby doing something good. Parents, they say, what you have done is good. So it is like that. It's a baby step. They are congratulating us. So this is a message from my Lord Honorable Justice Pammidi Kantam Sri Narasimha, Judge, Supreme Court of India. My Lord has said, I would like to congratulate Dr. Saravana for his work and wholeheartedly recommend this book as a must-have for all those attempting the AOR examination. Now, moving on to my Lord Honorable Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, former Chief Justice of India. His Lordship has said, Dr. Saravana academic credentials combined with his vast practical experience make him a guiding light for the budding lawyers who seek to enter the hallowed halls of the Supreme Court. Lordship is very kind enough to give this, but I will qualify myself. I will every day I will make an endeavor to qualify and to make this word come true, dear friends. Thereafter, my Lord, Honorable Justice S. Nagamuthu, former Judge, Madras High Court. His Lordship has said, Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA is known for his erudition and excellent teaching capacity. In culmination of his lectures, he has now come out with his excellent book under the title The Guiding Star of AOR Aspirants. Perhaps this is the only book available in this field. Now, moving on to the most respected senior advocate in the country, Mr. Kapil Sibal sir, Senior Advocate, President, Supreme Court Bar Association. He has given a message. This book is a testament to Dr. Saravana's unwavering commitment to the legal profession and his passion for nurturing the next generation of advocates on record. Now, our Vice President of Supreme Court Bar Association, and Madam is also the Vice President of the Bar Association of India, Ms. Rachana Srivastavaji. She has said, this book, The Guiding Star of AOR Aspirants, is a guiding light for aspiring AORs, offering insights into the challenges, expectations, and rigorous preparation required to qualify for the examination. Now, our president, advocate on record president, Mr. Vipin Nair sir, Dr. Saravanaраja's contribution through this work reinforces the Supreme Court's tradition of maintaining the highest standards of legal advocacy while ensuring these standards remain accessible to the dedicated aspirants. So, these are the kind words, messages, forward given to this book. And I assure each one of you that whatever the words, they were kind enough to give all those words. I strongly believe that I have to work more and more to make their dream word come true, dear friends. So I thank each one of them from wholeheartedly on behalf of you also, on behalf of me also, to our lordships. Now, what is this book all about, dear friends? Why this has taken 6 months? Let me tell you. Dear friends, I have carefully examined all the 5 years questions from 2019 till 2024. Whenever we read the questions, we understand, oh, this question has been asked in 2019 also. Some questions has repeated in 2020, and you will find some of the questions are frequently repeated in the examinations. Therefore, what I have done is, I have chapterized, we have chapterized each topic, like, for example, special leave petition, that is chapter, under which how many questions that they have asked. So, more number of questions, that means it occupies the prominent place like chapter 1. Chapter 1 means 30 questions from that particular chapter they have asked. Chapter 2, special leave petition, 21 questions. So, based on the repeated questions, we have given the chapterization, dear friends. When you look at the chapter itself, you will understand this chapter, first chapter means it is the most important question, most important area where we need to concentrate. This is the first step that every AOR aspirant must do. That is most important. Let me read the preface in few lines. This book is a comprehensive guide, and each chapter has been given preference over other chapters to understand its importance based on the frequently asked questions from the last 5 years. This book aims to assist AOR aspirants to focus on most important topics, dear friends. Unlike traditional preparatory guide, this book takes a focused approach by presenting the frequently asked questions from previous years. This is important, dear friends. This initiative encourages deeper study, self-assessment, allowing candidates to develop their problem-solving skills and apply their legal wisdom. We have not given any answers to these questions. We have given you the guidance, we have given you the direction, what to study and how to study. What is to be studied, what are the important areas. Now let me take you to the how it has been chapterized, dear friends. See, there are 4 subjects we have. First, let me take you to the content 16, page number 16, contents paper 1, practice and procedure of the Supreme Court. The first chapter is Supreme Court Rules 2013, because serial number is there, that is chapter, particulars is there, number of questions and page numbers. So from the Supreme Court Rules 2013, 30 questions have been asked. So therefore, it occupies the prominent place as chapter 1. Now moving on to special leave petition, 21 questions, writ jurisdictions, 18 questions. Then chapter 4, legal terms applications, 9 questions. So if you look at the number of questions itself, you will get to know which chapter is most important and which chapter you can concentrate more, which chapter you need not concentrate more. So this will give you the entire guidance. Now, respect to drafting, paper 2 drafting, 7 questions have been asked from the special leave petition. To draft special leave petition, either in civil or criminal matters. So, under each chapter, we have given the relevant questions also, which year this has appeared and what is the mark it carried. And moreover, we have annexed all those 5 years questions also as part of this annexures. Therefore, if there is anything, you can refer to the question papers also. That is also annexed. So drafting means special leave petition, transfer petition, then writ petition. It goes on like this, dear friends. Thereafter, paper 3, 15 questions from duties of advocate. Maybe duties of advocate towards the court, client, colleagues. So those questions are important. Therefore, from this, you will go and read the duties first. Then second is professional misconduct, 13 questions. So it goes on like this. Then chapter 4, leading cases. Which area most prominently have come in the question paper is fundamental rights. 9 questions. Then insolvency and bankruptcy code, 3 questions. So if you go to that consent page, dear friends, for example, say I have given chapter 1 Supreme Court rules. We have extracted the question, and then 16th August 2024, part 1, question number 2, 10 marks. So you can go to that question also and you can verify, re-verify also. So therefore, for any AOR aspirant, you should know what is the most important question. If you know where is the gold, you can dig it out. Right? You should know the place alone. Now the place has been identified. Only thing is how you are going to identify the gold, through which material that is in your hand. Now we have given this is a gold, or if you think this is diamond, yes, this is diamond, up to whatever you think. And you have to identify the answers. And mostly we are giving answers through our lectures that is available. Number 2, we will be coming out with future projects also by trying to solve the answers to these questions also for future AORs. So with this, dear friends, and appendices, now appendices is also important. Regulations regarding advocate on record examination and notification, last year notification has been given, and what are the documents to be furnished by AOR aspirants for the commencement and the completion of the training, and what is the format that is to be followed, everything has been given. Then list of lectures, till 38 lectures we have given, and that is available in YouTube also. And most important is from my personal experience and what I have gathered from seniors, what I am seeing in my own eyes, from the wisdom of other seniors also. In 2 pages, dear friends, I have given tips for writing the AOR exam effectively. Tips for writing the AOR exam effectively, and then references has been given where we have taken it. So if there are any mistakes in the book, please bring it to our knowledge, we will rectify it. So most important now aspect is acknowledgement. We have acknowledged our lords, senior advocates, and then dedicated associates. Though some of them are not here, my bounden duty is to say their names, those who have helped us in shaping the book. So with your permission, dear friends, let me just tell you who has worked behind this book. Because all our associates are here, but some of the interns who has really worked very hard, they are unable to reach here. It is my bounden duty to narrate or to say their names here, record their names here. Ravi Chincholikar, he came here. Stanley Thomas Matthew, Miss Vidhi Shaw, Miss Nisha Chowdhury, Miss Shrinkala Kutawar, Mr. Rahul Rawal, Mr. Sharad Purwar, Miss Archana Maurya is here, Mr. Tijil Pandey, Miss Raisa Anand, Mr. Amar Ali, Mr. Wilson Kumar, Miss Ishani Srivastava, Mr. Sannat Kashayap, Miss Ashi Verma, Miss Kajal, Mr. Himanshu, Mr. Atul Sharma is here, Ms. Sanjana Kumari, and Mr. Manas Singh. So these interns, they were the batch belonging to October batch. It was started, foundation laid down by October batch, and it went up to January batch. And remaining things, finalization, everything took place. So therefore, these people have helped us. Moreover, one of the senior advocates who has given the encouragement and constant support, I would like to extend my special thanks to Dr. Adish C. Agarwala, senior advocate, former president of Supreme Court Bar Association, Mrs. Pragya Begal, advocate on record, Mr. Mukesh Kumar Singh, advocate, executive member of the Supreme Court Bar Association, for their encouragement and constant support. And this book, at the first page, it is written, this book is dedicated to all advocate on record aspirants. One more thing, finally, dear friends, my teacher, Professor Khailvili ma'am, she was my professor, and she has said one thing, and it is very important to share it with you all. One word can change the life. One teacher can change the life of the student. One book can change the life of the aspirants. I humbly pray and wish that that one book will be the guiding star of our aspirants. And this guiding star, maybe today this book, tomorrow each one of you will be the guiding star for the future AOR aspirants. That is the message. The guiding star of AOR aspirants refers to all the AOR aspirants present here and throughout India, dear friends. This is dedicated to you all. Thank you so much. Please join us for group photo.